What if I told you that solely relying on sales growth in your shop is a waste of time?
What?
That's right. A common misconception in the tire industry is that a shop needs to be consistently busy and rapidly growing to be profitable. However, the truth is that shops that are run with an intentional focus on core business fundamentals tend to be the most successful in the long run. Let's talk more about that. Running a profitable auto repair shop takes more than just increasing car count. Shops that focus solely on sales growth often lose sight of what actually matters: managing the business efficiently. Remember the tortoise and the hare parable? The tortoise beats the hare by moving steadily and intentionally towards his goal. Shop owners should adopt that mindset rather than getting distracted by a busy workload. Several key areas impact shop profitability, and one is parts gross margin. To consistently hit your target, aim for a 54% margin on all parts excluding tires, batteries, and accessories. But setting that margin goal isn't just enough. You need to monitor it regularly. Address issues like employees overriding prices due to discomfort with higher margins. Extra training and oversight will get everyone on board. Labor is another profit opportunity. Don't just look at your stated hour rate, track the actual effective rate. Many shops with a posted $139 rate end up at only $109 effective. You figure this by dividing total labor sales by billed tech hours. For example, 4,642 hours equals a $109.52 rate. But if the posted rate is $126, that's an 86.9 effective rate. Shops looking to make a profit should consistently exceed 125%. Otherwise, that labor gap can cost serious money over time. You should also leverage your shop's management system to improve your workflow. Give all staff visibility into scheduled work and individual tasks and set expectations around those tasks. When each member of each department knows what is expected of them, their performance will increase. It also helps to have a vision beyond your shop's day-to-day grind. Set goals for your personal life and encourage your techs to do the same to give them extra motivation for hard work. Rather than focusing solely on sales numbers or volume, your goals should be efficient operations, high quality work, and revenue collection. Simply being overwhelmed with customers does not guarantee success, but running an intentional, strategically managed shop will. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.